are his.
Oh, we're doing it again.
Those 12 donuts are his. Lauren and I decided to go with 6 donuts because we know that we won't be able to do the 12. So,
why not?
let's go. Let's start this shit. Okay,
Selfie.
so
Selfie.
wait, is this? It's on video. Okay, no, it is. No, okay. So this is Lauren. Oh, I'm gonna do. This is Mikey. This is Matt. I'm Becca. We're gonna do the Dunkin' Donuts challenge real quick. So this is the beginning of our run. It's like wicked sunny outside and it's like 90 degrees. So let's go. Okay. So we just finished our first 2-mile run. Now
The donuts.
donuts. No, fuck. I'm so hot right now. Go. Okay.
I can't. I'm gonna throw up.
This is disgusting.
I can't. It's too hot. How many did you squish together for? I'm gonna just squish them like this so I don't have to actually eat the frosting.
Joking.
I can't. I'm too hot. I can't.
No way in hell is going now. I'm doing it. Oh, God. I can do this.
It's not happening.
Nah, I'll get like 6. I already got 4.
I need to stay in the shade.
Two down. Right, I'm already full.
I didn't run.
Everyone like takes a.
Woo!
Oh my God.
So right now our progress. He's on his
Last 4 bitches.
9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th donuts. He's made it through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 4 donuts. I'm on my 6th. Well, 5th and 6th. Lauren has finished 1. Woo!
Maybe.
Guys, I feel like you have to throw up.
I'm not eating the rest of the day.
Is Lauren's box of donuts.
And this
as you can see, these ones
Oh my
are
God.
stuck together to make a whole donut.
That's not even. Oh my God. That's
So,
not
this is Lauren's
Guys,
you're in the
don't
way.
understand
Oh.
my body.
box
Oh.
of donuts.
even. Oh my God. I can't do it.
You don't
And
understand.
Matt is about to throw up. Can you like tilt it this way?
Oh
And this is my box of donuts right now.
Nice back.
my God.
I'm gonna throw up.
If I ate that, I would be like shitting and pooping. I mean, throwing up everywhere. Just saying.
Okay, so right now it's only me and Matt in the game.
Yep.
Matt has about 2 donuts to go.
Fuck yeah.
I have about 1. Lauren and Mikey just completely quit.
Yep.
Lauren hasn't made any progress. Mikey hasn't made any progress.
Symbolizing their relationship.
Oh!
And that's not good. I think I might just throw up on Lauren.
No, no.
This is so gross. What the fuck, Jenna Marbles?
Whose idea was this?
Mine. Am I the only one having fun right now?
Yeah. Okay.
Last bite right here.
Last bite. 1,
2, 3.
That's not as impressive. Finally at 6.
Alright, 12.
But here they are. My box of donuts, gone.
Wow.
Matt's box of 12 donuts,
Holy mother of God.
gone.
Lauren's box of donuts, gone.
Now let's show the loser's box of donuts. We have Lauren's box of donuts. Now you see? Not even 1 was finished.
Yeah, I finished 1. Okay, 1.
1. And we have Mikey's. Where, let's see, that's 2.
That's 4. I mean, that's 2. Yeah.
4, we're finished. Done.
Throwing these up.
Going to throw up.
I didn't even want to see these.
Be right back. I never want to eat donuts ever again in my life. Alright, so here we are, starting our 2-mile run after eating our weight in donuts. And Matt is the only true challenge winner so far. I'm the modified Dunkin' Donuts challenge winner. 1 donut cannot be counted as modified.
People eat 3 a day.
I could eat 2 of those normally. Alright, so
We do live 2 instead.
we started running. But I can't.
Oh, crap. My legs feel like lead. We're doing live 2. I don't care. Go, move. Jordan.
Okay.
I can't get through the whole thing.
Guys, I already feel like we got 2 walkers right now. We got Mikey and Lauren. Just chugging along. There's Matt winning.
I'm still going fast. I'm gonna try to throw up.
No, Matt, don't.
No, because then you'll lose the challenge. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Do you want me to carry this one?
Can you? Pass it off. Oh, my hand is in the way. Go back, go. Still going slower than Mikey, who's walking. I guess I'll catch up. I know, Matt's all the way up there. You can't even see him. Ew, back down.
I'm close, I'm close. Stop making me laugh, dude. Anticlimactic. I can't throw up.
Honestly, I'd rather just like stick my finger down my throat.
It doesn't work. Try it. You have to like. Oh shit! Yeah! Oh god! You see this bitch? I can't throw up. I think I won. Oh god. Okay, can we go home now? No, we're doing I want to go home.
I didn't throw up again.
Yay! Did you throw up?
No, he tried to.
I tried to throw up, it didn't work.
Good. Solid. How do you feel?
Here's the
Like
Twitter.
shit. Hi, Lucky.
That's Zeke. I'm not wearing